So Alcobra is primarily known as a distributor of non-ferrous metals, basically any type of metal that's not steel, whether it's tubing, round bar, plate, sheet, pipe. It really depends on the part that's being made. Between both our facilities, we have about 20 employees. We service all sorts of industries, manufacturing and aerospace, firearms, the food industry, automotive, and military as well. One of the unique things about Alcobra is we don't have a minimum, which means our customers can buy as little or as much material as they like. So we service accounts from just the small mom and pop one-man, two-man operation machine shops to working with companies as large as SpaceX or BMW or Ruger. We'll help anybody who needs help as long as we can help them. About 80% of our business is local here to the greater Spokane, Post Falls, Coeur d'Alene area, but we do service a lot of companies internationally. Our primary customer base is basically machine shops of all shapes and sizes. So in Spokane, there's a lot of big ones and there's a lot of small ones. We will not only sell you the material, but we'll cut it to any specified length that you need. So that's really important for a lot of manufacturing companies who are interested in maximizing the efficiency of their process. It arrives at their shop, it's ready to go into the machine. In the making process, a lot of times a company needs to, before they go into production, there's the prototyping phase or short production phase. So Alcobra is a great fit for that because we don't have a minimum. So if there's a company that is perfecting an idea or a concept, we're happy to work with them. Boeing and SpaceX or Blue Origin, they depend on us, especially in their rapid prototyping departments where they need material real fast. When somebody has an idea and they're trying to make something, one of the first steps is to figure out what to make it out of, to learn about what materials are available at your disposal, how much they cost, how long it'll take to get.
Here's an example of a part we make for a customer. It comes to us about 8 feet long. We saw cut the pieces to length, to their specified length, and then after they're cut, set them up in our mill and add these additional holes. And all it is just a light switch cover.
One of the industries that Alcobra has been involved in for a long time is the snow bike industry. It's a conversion kit that changes a dirt bike into a snowmobile. A lot of times a real successful, energetic entrepreneur comes in with an idea, he's made something, and he begins marketing it and it takes off. Well, when that concept was first sort of originating, Alcobra was an important supplier for the companies that were sort of perfecting this concept, helping them choose the right material and then also delivering it cut to size, making it very efficient for them to get their kits put together. Alcobra's happy to help anybody who comes through our door. So we have a lot of DIYers who come into the retail area and they only need 2 feet of a particular size of aluminum bar. We're just as happy to sell them that as we are to sell an aerospace company a big pallet of material. To us, it's just about making sure the customer is getting what they need to make what needs to be made. Working in Northeast Spokane's great. Location-wise, it's very easy to get down to the freeway and move product over to North Idaho or towards Seattle. My dad just saw a future opportunity. 20 years ago, there wasn't near the amount of industry that there is here now, but he recognized that there would be one day. Land up here was relatively affordable and easy to develop. One of the great things about working in Northeast Spokane is it feels like a somewhat tight-knit community. So us supporting the local machine shops in the area and the other various companies, we all eventually get to know each other and it's easy to do because everybody's in such close proximity. If there is any company or individual interested in working in Northeast Spokane, we're happy to talk to them about the future opportunity that we really see in this area and that we're excited for.